Hello and welcome to this My Theme Shop video screencast. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to manage comments on your WordPress site. Now comments are a really important part of any blog because they allow your readers to communicate with you, the author, and create a real conversation. So you're going to see on your WordPress dashboard that you can see at a glance how many posts, comments, pages, and comments in moderation you have. So I'm just going to walk you through all of these different things, and we can do that mainly from the comments dashboard. So if we click on comments on the left hand side, here you're going to be able to see every single comment that has been left on your site and on what post or page those comments have been left on. So if we scroll down here, we can see all of the comments that have been left on my site here. Now the basics of comment moderation include things such as approving, replying, quick edit, and spam and trash. So I'm just going to show you what these do. If a comment requires moderation, it's going to have this line across the left-hand side and also have a different color background. You're then going to need to approve it before it shows up on your site. You can also unapprove any comment. You also have the option to edit any of the content of the comment, which you might want to do in line with the comment moderation policy. And you can also mark a comment as spam or trash. Now marking as spam will remove the comment, and it will also train WordPress to try and filter out any comments similar to this one in the future. Trashing, however, will just delete the comment outright. So if we click to spam, then that's going to move the comment to spam. You can see now I have two comments as spam. If I'd done that by accident, I can click undo, or I can head to the spam, where I'm going to find all the comments that have been marked as spam, and I can either tell WordPress that this is not spam or delete permanently. And we can see here, this is the comment from Matt Mullenweg, the founder of WordPress, and so this has actually been mistakenly put here, so I can mark it as not spam. If we head to the next tab here, which is pending, then we can see at a glance all of the comments that need my approval. Now I can bulk approve these by just ticking here at the very top. You can see I have some bulk actions. I can either approve, mark as spam, or move to trash. So I'm going to bulk approve these and just click apply. And that's all done. Now if I just head back to all, then another thing that you can do from this section of the dashboard is reply to comments without leaving the dashboard. To do so, you just need to click reply. And that's going to load up a text box which you can fill in, as well as use the usual styling options. So here, for example, I could leave a comment saying, "Great info, thanks for sharing," smiley face. And if I just click reply, then that's going to show up inline on the website. So if I just click on that, we're going to see that I've got this comment nestled 3 down, and we're going to see what that looks like there. If we just head back to the dashboard, then that kind of really covers the main things about moderating comments here. But there are a couple of extra options available. If you go to settings and then click on discussion, then here you're going to find your discussion settings. Now here you can choose whether to do things such as attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the article. These are things known as pingbacks and trackbacks. You can also choose whether to allow these on your blog. By default, WordPress is going to turn those off. You also have the option to allow people to post comments on new articles, but you can override this for individual articles. You also have the option to make sure comment authors fill out a name and an email, or you can ask that they are registered and logged in to comment. You can automatically close comments on articles older than a certain number of days, so older than 14 days, for example. And you can allow replies and choose how many levels the replies should go to. So by default that's set to 5, but you might like to keep things a little bit neater and set that to 2, for example. You can choose whether to break comments into pages of 50, so you can either change that number or turn that off, as well as choose whether newer or older comments are left at the top of the page. You can ask for an email notification if anyone posts a comment or a comment is held for moderation. And you can also choose that a comment must be manually approved before it appears, or a comment author must have a previously approved comment, so that would cut down on your work for a little bit. You can also choose whether to hold a comment in moderation if it contains a certain number of links, or if it matches any words that you've put in this box. You also have a blacklist, so you can put words in this box, 1 per line, and if it matches any of these, then it's going to send the comments straight to spam. You can also choose whether to display avatars and what rating the avatars must have, as well as the default avatar. If you haven't got an avatar, then you can set your own by going to gravatar.com and setting your own one. And you'll want to click Save Changes once those are done. Now you also have options on any individual post, and if we just click on a post here, let's just choose one that's got some comments on it. So we can see here that the comment count for each individual post. So this post has 4 comments on it, so I can click here. And if I scroll down past the bottom of the post, I'm going to see all of the comments that are in the post displayed here. And here I can approve, unapprove, and reply in quick edit, and so on, as you could before, as well as add my own comment if I'd like to, all from the admin screen. If you scroll right back up to the top and click on Screen Options, you can also tick the discussion box here. This will allow you to turn off comments or pingbacks. So unticking this box is going to turn off comments for this specific post. So if I just click Update and view the post, then we're going to see that at the bottom of the post we've got those comments that were left, but no further comments can be left on the post. So that's a great way of turning off comments if you need to for any particular spam reasons, for example. And that's really all there is to it. Comments are an integral part of any blog, and getting to grips with them is really going to help you out. Hope this video has been helpful, and thank you very much for watching.